Hi, Sir Ann.
We're here to demonstrate how friction occurs. We entitled this demonstration as The Inseparable Books. But first, what is friction?
Friction is the universal forces between surfaces that opposes sliding motion.
When surfaces of two bodies are in contact, the interactive force at the surface may have the components of both perpendicular and tangent to the surface.
The perpendicular component is called the normal force and the tangential component is called the friction force.
If there is relative sliding at the surface, the friction force always acts in the opposite direction of the motion.
Materials for this demonstration are two books.
Go.
Now, we should intertwine the pages of the books. This may take a little time, but this will really show how friction occurs. So, bali, ito na yung resulta pag pinagsama mo yung dalawang libro. Ngayon, pag kahit gano'n ka yung hatakin, hindi siya matatanggal.
Go.
Ngayon, hatakin naman ni Marn at Abby, silang dalawa. Yan. Kahit gano'n kalakas yung paghatak ng dinatan. Kasi sa bawat pages ng libro, dahil na-intertwine siya, maraming friction yung napunta sa loob. So, hindi siya madaling matanggal. Matatanggal mo lang siya pag nilagay mo yung daliri mo sa gitna ng books, tapos tsaka mo siya hinata.